What do you see happening in the Teamcenter market within the next 3 to 5 years?
Great question. So Teamcenter is kind of the critical piece that allows customers to maintain that digital thread, and they build their design and manufacturing analysis systems all around Teamcenter. So Teamcenter, I like to say, is what allows customers to optimize for the constant state of change. It keeps everything connected. Um, it's becoming more and more a requirement and less of a, hey, let's just keep our data in line. There's just so many people connected, both locally and remote, that without an application like Teamcenter, it becomes a challenge to run your business. So that's going to continue to grow.
Finally, what is your favorite hobby outside of work?
So right now it's the NHL playoffs. So NHL hockey, and I do love to cook. So I'll leave it to
Wow.
to those two items, cooking and the NHL.